What up, guys, and welcome back. We're here at CHENG'S, and I wanted to talk about my little incident I had with eBay recently. So, as you guys probably know, I sell a lot of live fish, snails, fish equipment, all that fun stuff on eBay. Now, I don't make a tremendous amount of money, but I do make a little bit of money that helps me on the side. So recently I sold a pack of snails. Now the gentleman ordered six. I think I sent about 12 because I had extras. If I have extras, I don't mind sending more. But then apparently they all showed up dead and what's it called? He wanted a refund, even though clearly I put no DOAs. Now, when he mentioned that they all died, I didn't believe it at first, but I still asked for the photos. And I said, even though I don't offer any DOAs, I will try to help you in some sort of way, whether you want to order some more, whether you want more. And I told him, I was like, why don't you just pay the shipping and I can even send you like 30 of them. And if that's what's better for you. And he first agreed to it, but I'm assuming that he didn't understand exactly what he was agreeing to because when I told him I'll just wait for the shipping label, just send me the money for the shipping label, um, he flipped out. He got all upset and then he started making a claim saying that they were all squished. Meanwhile, he sent me the photos previously of them actually being in the aquarium, just not moving, but they were not squished or flattened or anything like that, or crushed. Now he was claiming then he got eBay involved. He was claiming to eBay that they all came crushed, flattened, like someone stepped on it, etc. Which I believe, I think he did after the fact, but that's got nothing to do with the case. So when eBay um, was saying that I was going against eBay's guarantee, because I mean I had to help or refund because it was an eBay guarantee sort of protection thing that they offer. I was like, in my description itself, I don't offer any DOAs, and on top of that, Hugh told me first that they weren't crushed. Now he's saying that they were squashed. So someone's lying here, and something's wrong here. But yeah. So then eBay actually was wanting me to send the refund without even hearing from my name, hearing my response yet. So I contacted eBay about that, and what they told me was that they can actually send a refund for me without it coming out of my pocket. Now, keep in mind, I sell these snails for only $3. The shipping is what's expensive because I have to get them all the way across. I think this guy was in Texas or in California or whatever, and who knows where. But that was the expensive part. I don't mind giving out more snails, or if a fish dies or anything like that. Hey, it's sad, but I know stuff like this happens, so I don't mind reimbursing even for the price of the fish. I even asked them if he wanted a refund for the price. But the shipping, I can't do anything about that. The money is gone already. If I were to if I were to refund shipping for something that cost $3 and I had to refund the shipping that cost $8 on top of that, I don't I would be losing way too much. So yeah, that's why I don't offer any type of DOAs. So you buy as you please, but you also take the risk, and it's also pretty cheap. I mean, my prices are cheap compared to others, so I don't understand exactly what went wrong. I think they didn't read the description, or he didn't care that I wrote in the description DOA, no DOAs or anything like that. Now, again, I try to work with every customer that I get because they took a chance on me. They bought the fish. I am more than grateful, or in this case, snails. But I do mention that I can't refund because of this exact reason. The shipping costs $8 and $10 when the item was only $3. So I can refund the cost of the thing and I won't make any money. But if I were to refund the money for the shipping too, then on top of that, not will I be not making any money and wasting my time, I will also be losing money. So yeah, that's what happened with eBay. So overall, eBay did help me in the end because they refunded without me having to pay for anything. I think it was because it's under a certain threshold, like less than $10. But yeah, I don't know. The seller even left me a bad review on my eBay. You guys probably see that in my reviews or whatever the case is. I even tried to mention that what he was writing was wrong in my review, in the review he left me. He left me a review saying that they were all squished, all crushed, and I'm like, you sent me the photos yourself that they weren't crushed at the time, so I don't understand exactly what you mean, but etc. whatever. eBay did help me out, but I do think I want to start my own website. So if you guys have any websites in mind or any application that will help me set up my website, please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, hopefully you guys are all doing great. BT Dubs, I'm going to be starting a members only channel because I'm able to. And once I get to a certain amount of monetization, I will probably turn it off. This is going to be just for right now because I don't want to keep doing it, but it would be nice if I can get some support with YouTube and helping me pay for more items so I can do more reviews or orders and live videos. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I see you in the next video.